So what's up guys? Today we have Parth from Said Sukhdev College of Business Studies. So Parth, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, so hi everyone, I'm Parth. I'm a third year undergraduate at Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, Delhi University. And I'm pursuing computer science honors, but I've always had a passion for investments and stock markets. So during my college journey, I've been dabbling in a lot of consulting, finance, and whatnot. So I was actually placed as the top five in Cornell's EMI Corning case competition. It's an annual event, and usually teams from around 10 plus continents are invited. And we were fortunate enough to be one of the undergraduate teams to get invited into NYC. Although that didn't work out, our US visa got cancelled. But also won a lot of case competitions in IIMs, LSR, SSCBS. And I was also taken in as the director of finance of IFSA Network. So IFSA Network is the world's largest student-run finance organization. We have branches in Harvard, Oxford, LSE, and I was fortunate enough to get the tag of handling the investment fund over there. So I've also done a lot of projects with companies like Vodafone Idea, Oberoi Group. Right now, we're doing a project with Amazon on their e-commerce business, and since the past 12 months, I've been handling India investments for a US-based hedge fund. So they basically launched their India Opportunity Fund, which usually takes in NRI money and invests in public equities in the stock market in India. So 12 months I've been interning there, and I will be pursuing my full-time employment with them as an investment professional. So yeah.
Cool, cool, cool. So how did you land your first internship?
So again, due to my college has a lot of culture of case competitions and life projects. So the first day I stepped into college, I started understanding what MS Excel or MS PowerPoint was, and I used to make these shit presentations like text boxes all over. So didn't make a lot of sense. But due to my seniors and their guidance, I understood two major elements, which were Excel and PowerPoint, and I used to make projects on them, submit something on LinkedIn, and I always had a very optimized LinkedIn profile. So that LinkedIn profile combined with the guidance of my seniors and MS Excel and MS PowerPoint got me into an internship, which was actually Devyani International. Although my first internship, I would say that it was by chance because we went to IIM Ahmedabad. Like I said, we have been doing case
Case.
competition since day one. We went to IIM Ahmedabad and we won the flagship competition over there. And so the CEO was sitting and me, Jyotika and Nishan were just discussing कि should we हम पूछाएं कि internship मिल सकती है कि नहीं. And the person was very kind enough. His name is Srijit. He's the CEO of Devyani. He's the CEO of Costa Coffee India. And उनसे हमने पूछा कि यार internship का could be something. So he said let's make it happen. And within the next 10 days, we were landed in paid internships, and we were from the 15th day we were going to Gurgaon for our internships. So yeah, cut short, it was by luck. So yeah, but वो लक बनाने के लिए बहुत चीजें went into picture. So yeah.
वहाँ पे क्या किया था एज इन उस इंटर्नशिप में तुम्हारा काम क्या था?
So I was placed in the e-commerce department. मेरी जो manager थी, she was in Mumbai, but I had Gurgaon में work. So basically, Costa Coffee was very new in e-commerce presence, in especially in Swiggy, Zomato. Already Blue Tokai जैसे and these Starbucks and all were leading in e-commerce, and they were trying to start a new section. So you can say go-to-market strategies, menu rebranding, identification of priority circles where Costa Coffee can like garner their share. Like जो सेंट्रल हब्स होते हैं इन एवरी सिटी, फॉर एग्जांपल दिल्ली में ग्रेटर कैलाश है और दिस नोएडा में मॉल ऑफ इंडिया है, वैसे जोन्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना थ्रू माय डेटा एनालिसिस स्किल्स एंड देन डबलिंग डाउन ऑन व्हाट कैन बी द गो टू मार्केट स्ट्रेटजी फॉर एवरी ई कॉमर्स सर्कल. This was my major project, landed for 2 3 months, and was a great time. by the way.
और ऐसे और कुछ ऐसा क्रेजी इंटर्नशिप स्टोरीज जो मतलब दूसरे कंपनीज में तुमने कैसे ज्वाइन किया, जैसे इसमें तुमने डायरेक्ट सीईओ को ही वहाँ पे केस कॉम के दौरान रीच आउट कर लिया एंड ही वाज हैप्पी सीइंग योर परफॉर्मेंस, और उसके बाद उन्होंने दे दिया तुम्हें इंटर्नशिप, और बाकी इंटर्नशिप तुमने कैसे रीच आउट किया?
So this brings me to my recent internship, and I think this is the best one that I'm doing, the best one I could have ever got in college. So I have a habit of reaching out to LinkedIn people, senior directors, since like when I was 12th, when I was in class 12th. तो मैं रोज क्या करता हूँ, I just take 10-15 people in my basket, say कि yeah, this my passion, and I really like your work in XYZ. So any opportunities for me, please let me know. So I got an opportunity to talk to an ultra high net worth individual. He's a IIT Bombay alumni. His name is Raman Bindlish. You can check on LinkedIn. And he was actually planning to open a India fund for them. So basically, he has a hedge fund structure in US. US may they have multiple funds investing in crypto, US markets, and venture capital, and they wanted to touch point on ke, is Indian markets feasible or not. And I've been trading, investing in Indian stock markets for like 4 or 5 years now. I've burnt a lot of money, learned a lot. Now I'm settling to do some decent work in that. So he just took me on a call, like, "Batao, no CV, nothing, kuch bhi nahi. Let's do a call." And that call eventually turned into a interview, which I was not expecting. And then he's like grilling me on CFA L2 L3 levels, derivatives में ये क्या होता है, आप अभी मेरी portfolio की position ये होगी, मेरे को ये बताइए. That lasted 2 hours 30 minutes easily. And I was 100% sure कि मुझे नहीं मिलने वाला, because I was like very scared. तो मेरे को 2-3 दिन बाद कॉल आता है कि आई एम इन मालविया नगर, विच इज इन दिल्ली.
साउथ
he
दिल्ली।
came, yeah, South Delhi. So I went over there for lunch with him, and so he explains ke, yeah, but I think I see a younger me in you, so I would like you to join in with me on this project that I'm developing. So from there to talking every day with Silicon Valley founders, Silicon Valley investment managers, creating communities in India, doing financial research on public equities, writing on LinkedIn, Twitter, everywhere. It's been a great job, and obviously यूएस कंपनीज के साथ काम करने का या फिर इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट्स के साथ काम करने का बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट दे पे वेल, लाइक दे
वेरी वेल।
उनके नहीं है ना. तो I have seen this notion in India that nobody can pay more than 5, 10, 15,000 in internships. And uske liye bhi log pagal hai, like 500 comments on LinkedIn for joining. And these international clients, let me tell you, they pay at least, even if you are a fresher undergraduate, they would pay you on a scale of at least upwards of $350 to $450, which is like easily 30,000 to आप कमा रहे हो during your undergraduation. तो आई ऑलवेज एडवाइज पीपल के इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट्स को वो करो, cater to them, because 2-3 international clients that you tap into and they are impressed with your work, you will be in a great space in terms of India accommodation. So yeah, that is my
Definitely।
story. Yeah.
एंड हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट विथ योर केस कॉम्स, मतलब जर्नी कैसी रही, कैसे शुरुआत किया, फिर जीतने लगे होगे, तो एक्सप्लेन दैट।
So I think you would also relate कि when we all start, मैं बहुत हारा था, like I used to do these DO case competitions, simplest of simple ones, and 90% of the times तो quiz ही नहीं निकलता था, that unstopped quiz. 90% of the times I used to fail from that. But then slowly I got my first case competition win. It was a entrepreneurship competition sort of. Shark Tank की simulation थी ये College of Vocational Studies में, वही मालविया नगर साउथ दिल्ली. And I got third position. I was like so happy. 500 रुपए मिले थे as a cash prize. But I was so happy. I was like, चलो select city walk, चलो movie ये वो जो करना है कर लो, ठीक है. तो that gave me a confidence booster. And then my college Shahid Sukhdev is known for like these corporate competitions. तो हमारे सीनियर्स हमें इतना पुश करते हैं टू डू competitions and all के we usually are 90% of the people when you visit in Sukhdev are doing case competitions. आप नेस्कैफे पे जाओगे, आपको कॉफी ये सब नहीं दिखेगा, लोग पीपीटी डेक्स बना रहे होंगे. It's within the culture. So slowly got my momentum, then went to LSR, came first, uh, went to more of national competition, and then there was a competition with IM Bangalore, which was online. I wanted to visit, but we were expecting nothing from it. कि IM Bangalore क्या ही करेगा, और the top 8 teams were like MBA graduates and all. बट हमारे सीनियर्स ने समझाया दिस इज इन आवर कल्चर, हमने हार्वर्ड किया है, ये वो सब हो जाता है. एंड वी इवेंचुअली लैंडेड अप टू डू national rank 1 IM Bangalore, which was like boom for me. Computer science graduate, never heard about commerce, ये वो क्या होता है. Learned everything, learned go to market strategy, market competition, ये वो सब कुछ scratch से पढ़ा. And one day I'm defeating MBA graduates. So that was the confidence push in me. मेरा I feel what I do different in case competitions is कि I always take 2 steps further in every analysis that I say. तो अगर कोस्टा कॉफी का ई कॉमर्स का जोन डिड्यूस कर रहा हूँ, एक तो मैं उसको पाइथन से वो करूंगा डिड्यूस के, गूगल मैप्स का सारा डेटा ले लिया, इज इट इवन मेकिंग सेंस. उसके बाद मैं एक्सेल पे रन करूंगा कि व्हाट कैन आई डू. उसके बाद मैं थोड़ा चैट जीपीटी से ओपिनियन लूंगा, एंड देन आई विल लाइक मेक माई अपेंडिक्स वेरी नंबर ड्रिवन कि भाई हाँ, आई हैव एक्स वाई जेड ए बी सी रीजन वाई दिस मेक सेंस. तो when I submitted my IIM Ahmedabad की deck, it had 8 slides and 42 slides in appendix. Because इतनी सारी calculations दे दी थी, इतने सारे guesstimates कर दिए थे कि I wanted to be sure of every point that I put in.
सारे पॉसिबिलिटीज को ले लिया था.
Exactly, exactly. This is something that I've seen कि लोग नहीं करते. मतलब वो दे देंगे ये कर लो, वो कर लो, ये कर लो, वो कर लो. भाई जो CXO, CFO बैठा है तुम्हारे सामने, he needs action in
कॉन्टेक्स्ट.
steps, है ना?
पूरे कॉन्टेक्स्ट कि तुम्हारा ये डिसीजन आ कहाँ से रहा है.
एग्जैक्टली. एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मेरे को केस कॉम्पिटिशन अब नहीं पसंद. आई हेट कंसल्टिंग, फुल डिस्क्लोजर. बट कंसल्टिंग taught me one thing, which is data driven research. So that really helps in finance. So yeah.
एंड व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन कॉलेज प्लेसमेंट. तुम तो बैठे ही नहीं हो, सो
To
तुम देख ही रहोगे अपने फ्रेंड्स को.
यार मैं बैठा था, बाय द वे. आई sat in phase 1, and to be very honest it went pretty shit. मेनली शायद हो सकता है बिकॉज ऑफ माई कोर्स, बिकॉज मेरा जो कॉलेज है दैट इज वेरी इंक्लाइन टू BMS एंड BFI. BSc को कोई पूछता नहीं, देयर इज ओनली वन सेक्शन. एंड कंपनीज आपको वो कर देंगी कि आप बैठ सकते हो, लेकिन दे डोंट गिव यू एनी वेटेज. सो आई वेंट टू फाइनल राउंड ऑफ लाइक बेन, एवरेस्ट ग्रुप, एन और कौन सी LEK कंसल्टिंग एंड ऑल. And everything went great. The people were impressed with me. At the end of the day, I didn't see any output. So I think 12 13 placement interviews I had gotten no result. क्योंकि मेरे को ये था कि चलो PPO तो है, बट आई वॉन्ट टू प्रूव माई क्रेडिबिलिटी इन दिस कॉलेज के कुछ तो करा है, मतलब कुछ तो मिल जाए. क्योंकि अभी PPO मेरे को सबमिट नहीं करना था कॉलेज को, ये वो, तो आई हैड द होल अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एक्सप्लोर. लेकिन दैट फक्ड माई मेंटल हेल्थ अलॉट. मतलब आई वाज काफी आफ्टर बेन्स इंटरव्यू, तो आई वाज लाइक शेकिंग के यार क्यों नहीं हुआ, क्या हुआ. बट प्रोबेबली फॉर द बेटर. अभी कुछ नहीं पता, बट या it's pretty flawed, to be very honest. It's pretty flawed क्योंकि you must have also seen your साथ में peers. पहले तो जो shortlists निकलती हैं, they also come very random कि ये बच्चा हो गया, ये बच्चा हो गया aptitude में. उसके बाद इंटरव्यू शॉर्टलिस्ट और रैंडम निकलती हैं कि द पर्सन यू लीस्ट एक्सपेक्ट, द पर्सन हु हैज वेरी, आई डोंट वांट टू लाइक, मतलब समझ जाओ कि
हाँ मतलब थोड़ा कम अच्छा सीवी है, फिर भी दे गेट इट थ्रू.
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई, मतलब ऐसे कोई अंदर की पॉलिटिक्स होती है कि नहीं. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ रूमर्स के सम पीपल लाइक कॉल देयर ओन कनेक्शंस के हमारे कॉलेज में आइए, ये कर लो, विच इज नॉट अलाउड. ऑब्वियसली इट्स नॉट अलाउड. एवरीबडी नीड्स अ फेयर ग्राउंड. बट होता होगा यार. एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, कंप्लेन करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. ये सीख लिया मैंने 13 इंटरव्यूज देके. तो या
और तुमने बोला मतलब तुम्हारे कॉलेज सीनियर से पुश करते थे, ऑब्वियसली तुम इन सारे कॉलेज सीनियर से, कॉलेज सोसाइटी से ही मिले होगे. तो एज ए मतलब जब तुमने सोसाइटी ज्वाइन किया तो तुमने अपने ओवरऑल पर्सनालिटी में क्या डेवलपमेंट देखा.
तो I think IFSA network I'll talk about. IFSA network has changed me 180 degrees, to be very honest. मतलब मैं जब कॉलेज में आया था एवरीबडी टोल्ड मी कि फाइनेंस की टॉप सोसाइटी है और तू कंप्यूटर साइंस का तेरे से होना तो है नहीं, मतलब तू तेरे को कोई वेटेज नहीं देंगे भाई प्लेसमेंट वाली टॉक. But I sat down for interviews. Matlab, I sat down. They saw my skill in financial markets, and they eventually gave me a pedestal to work in. And IFSA network में तो every project that you see, Vodafone Idea, Oberoi Group, Vedantu, these big projects were only possible because IFSA का एक brand बना हुआ है. These people, the seniors that I talk to, they have been placed in best companies ever, like Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, कोई IMA में है. So this constant push I got in IFSA has changed even the way I speak, because I was very shy. मतलब starting में आऊँ कुछ बोला भी नहीं जाता, English भी ढंग से नहीं आती थी. तो every person that I talk to in IFSA is doing everything on its own. For example, you must have seen Jyotika Malhotra. She's placed in BCG. She's a person I learned a lot in consulting space के PPTs कैसे करनी है, रिसर्च कैसे करनी है, because he is like उसने इतने competition जीते हैं global that I used to be sort of jealous of her in the first year कि भाई ये शायद काश ये मेरे साथ कभी competition कर ले and all. तो एक तो सीनियर्स का पुश है ही है. द पीपल यू वर्क अराउंड विद, दे दे देमसेल्व्स आर डूइंग सो मच इन लाइफ कि तुम्हें हर टाइम लगेगा कि यार तुम पीछे हट रहे हो, तुम्हें करना पड़ेगा. तो दिस इज द इम्पैक्ट इफ्सा हैज लेफ्ट ऑन मी टू कट शॉर्ट. या
Any last minute suggestion for first and second year students?
यार सो to be very honest, course doesn't matter, college doesn't matter. I think what matters is your network and the way you reach out to people. Reach out to people like you yourself have been placed in cred, if I'm not wrong. You have a PPO, right? And for first and second year, first of all, build a layer of a basic foundation of skills. Like MS Excel or MS Paint, तो हर जगह you MS Paint कह रहा हूँ, sorry.
MS Excel.
MS Excel or PPT will be used everywhere that you go, in every corporate presentations and all, everything. So once you build on that foundation, reach out to people like probably me, probably Jasho, and रोज करो, मतलब 10-20 people रोज tap into and just ask them कि यार what did you do different, what did you do to get there. And within your 3 to 6 months you will have such a wide array of opinions and database कि तुम खुद के लिए फिर डिसाइड कर पाओगे कि क्या करना है. I was very clueless when I came in first year. I can say that easily for 80-90% of the people that come in. So I think the best thing is to reach out to your seniors, and while you do that, try finding your passion within the talks that you do. So yeah, that is what I think about it. Yeah, go on.
Thank you. Thank you for watching.